Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Masala Toast. Very tasty and very easy, and one of my go-to recipes when the chilli police are out of the house and I can have whatever I want to eat. And today is one of those days. My wife's away doing the refresher course with the SAS. Oh, she's not in the SAS, she's the lecturer. Anyway, the list of the ingredients needed for this recipe can be found in the description box below. I said this recipe was easy, and this is how easy it is. Place the onions and chilies in a bowl, crack the egg, add the chaat masala, salt and pepper to taste, and mix in well. Then add the splash of milk to thin down the mixture. Then it's in with the bread to soak up all the lovely egg. Don't worry if you can't get the onions and chilies to stick to the bread, we'll sort that out when we cook it. Then when you're ready to cook, simply heat the knob of butter in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, add in the slice of bread. Then when the bottom side is sizzling nicely in the butter, place any chilies or onions left in the bowl on top of the slice of bread. I'm using multi-seed brown bread from Woodstock's Bakery in Stony Stratford for this recipe, because it's some of the best bread I've ever had. But you use whatever you got. Then when the first side is done, flip the bread over and continue to cook on the other side. And when that's done, remove from the pan and allow it to drain on a piece of kitchen roll. Told you it was easy. And there you have it, one slice of masala toast. You could of course scale up this recipe and do 10 slices if you want. That's up to you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.